Welcome to Study Loop.
Good day. In this question, we will be filling in the blanks here. So we will be completing the passage using the words provided. So atoms are made up of three different particles. The one which are positively charged are protons. Next, the one that have no charge are neutrons. And the one that are negatively charged are what we call electrons. Next, the negatively charged particles are arranged in different shells, or what we call the energy level around the nucleus of the atom. So the particles with a negligible mass are the electrons. All atoms of the same element contain the same number of protons and electrons. And atoms of the same element with different numbers of neutrons are known as isotopes. Thank you.